Welcome to Youpin Stock Trend Prediction channel. So in this video, I will explore the Amazon stock market. There's a huge spike of about $100 per share spike yesterday. So today is October 16th, Saturday. So yesterday there was about $100 spike, a sudden increase. About $100 per share yesterday. So I will explore this and investigate and try to tell you why it will have this kind of a big spike and how this kind of a big spike is captured, and also the maximum and the minimum value or the effective resistance or support value will be for the next week. So stay with me for the whole video. So if you are interested in this kind of analysis, so you are welcome to subscribe Youpin Stock Trend Prediction channel. So let's go to the Amazon stock. So AMZN, Amazon stock. So this is the Amazon weekly chart. And this is the Amazon daily chart. So that means for daily chart, that means each vertical line is the candlestick price of the Amazon stock price that happened in each day for daily chart, or each week for weekly chart. So for yesterday, Friday, and you see this opening price, it happened around this 3,000. There's $3,311, and it dropped down a little bit. It's this the minimum value is $3,303. The highest value of that day yesterday is $3,409. So it's about $100 increase, a big spike. So I will tell you there's some kind of a trend. So you see this is the Friday's data, and this is Wednesday. This is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And on this JG Best, this is the Best U prediction model developed by the Youpin Stock Trend. So you see there is the minimum value, this dotted line, or this kind of a minimum value trend line. So this the lowest value of the stock price is trying to reach this minimum value, and it stopped at this level of trend line, minimum value trend line, and this matches this dot that's a minimum value. The predicted minimum value, it stopped at this level for this model. So you see this, and then for the next day, there's another level of resistance. This purple dot, that's another level of resistance, effective resistance. You see this Wednesday's data, when it reaches to this high value, that's a maximum value, or the maximum value trending line matches this, is just stopped there. It just couldn't break it, and then it dropped and continues to decrease. But you see this, this is a kind of effective resistance. But once the stock price has more momentum and is higher than this effective resistance, and it will have more momentum to increase the stock price. And you see this even after this reaches this maximum value, or the purple dot, and next day it is opened at this high value, and it's also fluctuating in this region. And basically this will show you this kind of a maximum value trapped by the Best U model. So let's go to another model that will give you a big picture about the map of the High-Low Pro indicators. That's a map of effective resistance and effective support. And this is based on the high-low map a model, simulation model. Let's go to Amazon, AMZN. So this is the Amazon AMZN weekly chart, and this is the Amazon daily chart. So that means each vertical line is the candlestick of the actual real-time data happened in each day on daily chart, or on each week on weekly chart. So you see this purple resistance, that's an effective resistance. You see this maximum value of the high value of in that day that captures stops at this resistance level, and captures very well. And you see this last Friday, when the stock price break this yellow, this is a kind of resistance point, and once it break this, exceeded, it has a very high momentum, and then there's no resistance to stop this stock price. So this stock price keeps on increasing, and then the closing price also happened at the top, at the maximum value. And you see this weekly chart. You see this weekly chart is the Friday's closing data is happened here, and is trying to still increase, and but there's another layer of resistance, effective resistance. It hasn't been reached there, so it will be there. That's a kind of another level of resistance. That's $3,448. So this kind of a purple resistance dotted point, this already was generated. You see, this is a weekly chart, so that means that's this week. And about 4 weeks ago, this purple dot was already generated. It's an effective resistance. And for that week, first week, second week, all these weeks are this top value of the high value is trying to reach to this dotted line, the effective resistance, but it can't break this dotted line. So, but for the daily chart, once it breaks this support, at that time it's a kind of a resistance point. Once it break it, exceed it, it has a much higher momentum and continue to increase. So so you see 3,000. You see this dotted line. This is $3,446, and this is the best U prediction model. That's the real-time prediction model in addition to the real-time monitoring tool. It captures the actual maximum value and the minimum value very well. So you see this the actual data, or the high price, is also trying to reach this maximum value trend line. It's very close to this trend line, and there's a purple dot at this. That's also $3,449. So this purple dot line for effective resistance, that's also was generated 4 weeks ago. This is a weekly chart 4 weeks ago. So it stays there. It's a kind of effective resistance. So after about $100 spike or $100 increase last Friday, yesterday, then a lot of people will be very interested in what will happen next week. So let's go to another predict model. This is based on the predict model for Amazon. Basically, it can be used for any stock. So let's go to the Amazon predict model, AMZN. So this is the Amazon weekly chart, and this is the Amazon daily chart, and this is the yesterday, yesterday, basically the Friday of this week. You see this is about $100 increase or spike. So this is a prediction model. So today is Saturday. So this value, this different band or different level of resistance and support value are already printed out or was generated already. So this is a kind of a predicted value for of the maximum value or the minimum value for the very high possibility of the stock price fluctuation range. So you see this basically the daily chart. There's a still high momentum, the increasing trend of high momentum for next week for daily chart. And then this price for next week, this price is $3,342, and even this level is $3,323.9, and this value is about $3,498. So the daily chart, that predicted value is also have a increasing trend, and for the weekly chart there's a slightly declined trend. So but since this Amazon stock's price already have a high momentum and reaches to this band, and then the early next week will still have a kind of high momentum, so it will have a kind of increasing trend. But you know, the stock price is always fluctuating, going up and down, but the moving average will go up in early next week, and then it will with a very high probability it will touches this point. This is $3,349, and it may have a little bit more momentum, may drop it to this region and then go back to this region. So the stock price fluctuation range will be in this region. So the maximum value, predicted maximum value, is about $3,448. $3,448.8 is about $3,449. So the minimum value is $3,346.7. It may drop a little bit more down to this region, maybe $3,320. So if we go back to this resistance and effective resistance and the support map, so you can see on weekly chart, the Amazon, there's a effective resistance for this purple dotted line. This price is $3,444. So the Amazon stock price will when it fluctuate and go up, it will try to reach to this effective resistance. It will be struggling at that point, trying to break it. So there's a very high probability it will be still in this region, fluctuate in this region. But if it has a very high momentum to exceed this point, then it could go to this point, goes to this region, and that will have a much higher room, bigger room to go up. But next week it will be in this region, and there's a very good potential that will go up to this region. If if it go exceeded this resistance level, it will have a very big bright future to reach to the next level of a resistance. That's a $3,543, but it's will take some time. So you are welcome to watch more videos in Yuping Stock Trend Prediction and Analysis channel, or watch more videos in YouTube. Thanks for watching the video.